Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, we're gonna open up our Instagram, and right over here we're gonna tap on this option of plus icon at the bottom. We're gonna simply go ahead, choose a video. So we're gonna switch to reel first, and I'm gonna choose 2 videos per se, and we're gonna go to next, go to edit video, and I have my 2 videos right over there, which are, one is a total of 247 minutes the video has been to. So if I want to simply upload it, I'm just gonna remove the audio for per se. Right, let's delete the audio, and now once I am done, I'm going to tap on next, and I'm going to tap on share. So that is how you can simply use your videos that are longer than 90 seconds, and you can simply upload them. But if you can go back, and when you go to this plus section and go to this reel section, you can also record a video as well right away. Otherwise, that's how you can simply create a reel or a post on Instagram more for the longer videos likewise. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.